So now we are going to study that how do we say that intervals are subsets of real numbers. Now suppose you have two real numbers a and b such that a is less than b. Okay. Now if I define a set say containing all the elements y such that y is a real number and y lies between a and b. This set, which is a subset of R, is called an open interval. And it is denoted by the round brackets which contain a comma b. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? a comma b को जब हम round brackets में लिखते हैं, this is an open interval, and इसका मतलब ये होता है that all the real numbers which lie between a and b come in this interval. So this is a subset of R, and this is open. Why? Because the elements A and B are not included in this set. So यहाँ पर equality नहीं है. That means A और B को आप include नहीं कर रहे हो. Therefore, this interval is called an open interval. And if I put equality on either one side, that means if I write a set Y where y is a real number and a is less than equals to y is less than b, तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि a तो include हो रहा है but the end point b is not included. So this type of set can be written as the square bracket a comma b and then the round bracket. जब भी इक्वालिटी होगी उस साइड पर आप स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट लगाओगे, बट नाउ दिस डजंट मीन कि ये सेट क्लोज हो गया. Why? Because एक साइड से तो it's still open. So this is also called an open interval. Now if I take the equality to b, अगर मैं इसमें b को include कर रही हूँ बट मैं अगर a को include नहीं कर रही, so this set can be written as round bracket a comma b and then the square bracket. Remember, square bracket वहाँ पर आएगा जहाँ पर भी आपको equality given है. Now since this set is also open from one end, we do not call it closed. A closed set would be जब आपको दोनों जगह पर equality दियो. That means the set square bracket a comma b, this interval is called the closed interval. Now these intervals which are open and closed, they are also the subsets of the real numbers. So this is how we discuss the intervals to be the subsets of the set of real numbers. And also these intervals can be denoted on the real line by whenever there is an open interval. तो जिस भी end पे वो open होता है, we draw a disk. ठीक है, वहाँ पर हम एक डिस्क ड्रॉ करते हैं विच इज़ एन एम्प्टी सर्कल, और जिस भी एंड पर वो क्लोज होता है वहाँ पर हम एक फिल्ड सर्कल ड्रॉ करते हैं. ठीक है, सो इफ आई हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस इंटरवल ऑन द नंबर लाइन, इट वुड बी, सो दिस इज योर नंबर लाइन and here are the points A and B. If I am plotting the closed interval AB, then I will draw filled circles on the points AB. Alright, but अगर मुझे open interval दिखाना है, so open interval दिखाने के लिए, suppose this is your number line and you have points AB here. So if it is open on both the ends, तो आप दोनों जगह पर empty circle बनाओगे. And you can also shade the portion in between. आप इसको थोड़ा सा dark कर सकते हो, like this. So this denotes the subset of the real numbers. So ये हो गया आपका open interval AB. अगर आपको A पे closed and B पे open दिखाना है तो you shade the disk which is at A. And अगर आपको B पे closed और A पे open दिखाना है तो आप A पे empty circle बनाओगे and B पर you will shade the circle. So this is how we can also plot these intervals on the real line. So I hope that all the topics were clear to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe, and also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can stay updated. And if you have any queries or you want any specific video to be uploaded, you can mail on the mail ID chalktalkwithvanshika@gmail.com. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.